悲しいほど光り出した白い闇切り裂く翼になれ
Here is our next kanji. I'm assuming you're already guessing what it might mean. Well, it's 5. So let's begin, shall we? You make a large horizontal line on top, make a long slanted line from the middle, I'd say, to somewhere around the lower left. Then you make a horizontal line in the middle of that slanted line you just drew, and then draw another line down, one stroke. And then you make a platform, if you will, a large line beneath that to connect them all. So, like I said, this kanji connotes the concept of 5. Its major readings are go, itsu, and itsutsu. When you're counting 5, there's only one way to say it, and that's go. That's it. So, whenever you're counting 5, it's always go. The ambiguous counter for 5 is itsutsu. Now, we have another kanji grouping. The last one you did was 2. This one is going to be 4. Here is your new kanji grouping. This is三々五々. It's a real word, ladies and gentlemen. It's an adverb, and it means in groups of 2s or 3s. So whenever something is done in groups of 2s or 3s, you can use the adverb 三々五々. The san-san is kind of like your group of 3, and you can look at go 5 as being a group of 2 and 3 together. So that's where this all comes from. Now remember, we're going to go back to a concept that I introduced along with the kanji 1. When you have 2 kanji, one right after the other, that are the same, you don't have to draw the kanji twice. Instead, you can simply put the iteration marker. If you don't remember what that is, go back to the kanji 1 lesson and, refurbish your memory. So, you could technically write it like this, it's not incorrect, but if you're going to see san-san go-go, you're probably going to see it like this. Those iteration marks are exact replicas of the kanji that they follow. You notice that the pronunciation is no different, and the meaning is no different. This is how it will usually be written, san-san go-go. 99% of the time, the pronunciation will be exactly the same. There's a 1% chance where it might differ slightly, but don't worry about that. It's like once in a blue moon, and I'm not going to give you an example because, I don't need to confuse you any more than you already might be. So, that's 5. That's all you need to know about 5 for right now. That's the end of the lesson. This is Angel of Crepusculence signing off.